guys, I am back with another video, and today's video is going to discuss how I prepare my hair for protective styling. Now, I am always looking for the newest, latest, and greatest protective style, so I always have my hair in some type of style. So I have to make sure prior to putting the style in that my hair is moisturized, because I usually leave the styles in for 4 to 6 weeks. So let's go ahead and get into this video.
So I'm going to make sure I start on soaking wet hair. And the first product I'm going to be using is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo. This shampoo is going to hydrate, soften, and detangle while cleansing each strand. You guys know I love a shampoo that does not make your hair feel like sandpaper. And once again, this shampoo is very moisturizing, and it is very easy to work through my hair. Now that I've worked the shampoo through my hair, I'm just going to rinse the shampoo out with cool water. So now that I rinsed the shampoo out, I'm going to follow it with Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. And this is a hydrating conditioner with almond, avocado, and shea butter. And it's going to soften, moisturize, and detangle to leave my hair soft and manageable. So as you can see, I'm working in sections once again, and I am finger detangling. I always make sure to finger detangle before using a detangling tool, just to prevent any unnecessary breakage and to make sure that the comb can flow through easily. I always make sure I detangle using a wide tooth comb, and I usually start from ends and work my way up to my roots, and then I just twist my hair up so that I can rinse all of the product out with ease once I'm finished deep conditioning. Now I'm going to leave the conditioner on my hair for 3 minutes. You can leave it in longer. However, I chose not to because I'll be adding in a leave-in as well as a daily styling lotion. Now I'm going to go in with the Design Essentials Scalp and Skin Care Moisturizing Oil Treatment. And this oil treatment is going to restore moisture and hydrate my scalp. It has a blend of marula and lavender and provides an intense moisture without oily buildup. And once that oil has been applied, I'm just going to massage it gently into my scalp. Up next is the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just going to rake that through very lightly. And I'm going to follow that with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I'm going to be using the tension method to straighten my hair, so I want to make sure my hair is very moisturized before applying that medium heat. And if you're not familiar with the tension method, it is a way of stretching your hair without using a comb attachment. Instead, you use a concentration nozzle and low to medium heat. You would take a small to medium section, pull it tautly, and use the blow dryer to run it along the hair until it is stretched and elongated. And once you are completely finished, you should have a blown out look to your hair. And this is the finished result. And now I am off to my hair appointment. So I am braided up, but I am experiencing a little bit of tightness, so I got something for you guys. I'm going to apply the Design Essentials Anti-Itch and Tension Relief Oil. It has tea tree and aloe, and it is a deep penetrating blend of natural oils that is going to calm and soothe dry, itchy, sore, and irritated scalp. It is also going to provide a calming relief for irritation, tension, and soreness. And if you guys know how I know, when you have a fresh set of braids, Your scalp can tend to be really tight and itchy, and this oil is going to relieve all of those symptoms. And I'm just going to massage it into my scalp and all the areas I'm feeling that tightness and even a little bit of itchiness as well. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow Design Essentials on Instagram and subscribe to their channel for more styling tips. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.